No. Okay. Let's go see what's wrong with you. Let's go see what's wrong with you. See that, girl? She'd be happy to have you for a snack. Get back. She's gonna bite you on the nose. Go ahead. Peck him on the nose. Go ahead. Peck him on the nose. Teach him a lesson. What are we gonna do with you? Everybody's curious about the little bird. It's a bird. It's the things you guys are always chasing, these and squirrels. Face to face, it's just not that big a deal, is it? It's just not that big a deal, is it?